Cardano managed to split away from its descending channel after several attempts. Presently, ADA's price finds itself in a tight range between $2 support and $2.2 resistance. This price action is inside bigger confinement that was set back in late September somewhere in the range of $2 and $2.4. Thus, until ADA breaks away from it, the pattern is level and the price can bounce between the key levels shown on the chart. Hello guys and welcome back to Cardano News Today. Today in this video, we will be discussing and sharing the most recent updates on Cardano, price updates and why Cardano will be a millionaire maker in 2022. Make sure to stay with us until the end, also subscribe to our channel for more videos. So let's get started. Charles Hoskinson, Cardano founder, made an effort to host Cardano's negativity and uncertainty in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Hoskinson broadcasted from South Africa and shared potential opportunities for the Cardano Foundation. In his new broadcast from Africa, Charles Hoskinson shared how the rising uncertainty in cryptocurrencies confused him. Hoskinson believes that Cardano has met each and every milestone on its roadmap. The Cardano network has never suffered an outage, and the founder reassures users about ADA's current plans. Cardano is focused on enhancing scalability. The Plutus application backend launch, or PAB, is set to ensure scalability on the network. It's scheduled for the near future. When Cardano improves scalability, more users are relied upon to join the network. Cardano is working on one more exciting development in the roadmap, Layer 2 scaling solution Hydra. Alongside Plutus, Mamba Pool, Atala Prism, and Mithral, Hydra's development is underway. 14 teams are working on various elements within the Cardano ecosystem. Hydra is relied upon to process transactions on the Cardano network in an effective manner. Since most transactions will be processed off-chain, Hydra will use the Cardano blockchain to secure settlement. The Hydra protocol is currently under extensive testing. Despite the upcoming updates on the Cardano ecosystem, ADA's market capitalization dropped and altcoin no longer ranks among the top 3 cryptocurrencies. The percentage of ADA token stake remains stable above 70%. Analysts are bullish on the altcoin as supply under circulation remains generally low. There is a spike in institutional investment in ADA. More than $3 million capital streamed to ADA-based funds in the past week, according to a CoinShares report. Austin Hilton, a cryptocurrency analyst and YouTuber, has set a $15 focus for ADA price. Hilton states, Cardano could hit $15 before the finish of this bull run that we are largely looking at. It's set to end in a kind of February-March timeframe. Besides, the acquisition, announced on October 21st, is expected to finish in the first quarter of the following year, subject to regulatory approvals. Actium managed around £18.5 billion in assets under management, or AUM, and works for a range of investors, including pension funds, insurance companies, and banks. It has a sustainable investment history of almost 30 years with a specialization in sway investing in the microfinance and SME spaces. As part of the deal, Cardano will enter a 10-year strategic partnership with Athora Netherlands. It'll manage around £13 billion in AUM as part of its deal with Actium's former Dutch parent, and will also provide its capabilities within Athora Netherlands' separated product offering. Cardano Group said the deal will significantly upgrade its service provision with investment funds, corporate sustainability analysis, and ESG counsel. The firm can now offer sustainable equity and fixed income portfolios in both the active and passive spaces, along with sustainable stewardship in-house. Sustainability has always been at the core of Cardano's culture and how we run our business, said Group Chief Executive or CEO Michael De La Torre. We anticipate introducing our pension fund and investment clients to our broadened advisory and asset management proposition with ESG at the heart. Athora Netherlands CEO Jan de Putter added, "We're pleased to have conceded to a 10-year partnership. In Cardano, we see the ideal new owner for Actium as we can leverage on the combined knowledge in the field of pensions." The acquisition is Cardano's third, following that of contract advisory firm Lincoln Pensions, which as of late rebranded as Cardano Advisory. Cardano also purchased auto-enrollment provider Now Pensions in 2019. In addition, third-generation blockchains were developed to rival Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano is the top-rated third-generation blockchain and has been named an ETH killer. From its Byron development stage, Cardano has gotten the attention of developers because of its robust roadmap and functional utilities. The Ethereum blockchain, which has driven the DeFi wave due to being the first to incorporate smart contracts, has more than 3,500 DeFi solutions. Nonetheless, because of scalability issues with the chain, developers are now switching to different chains, And with the launch of Alonzo, Cardano has set the stage to finally challenge Ethereum. Smart contract functionality has been gigantic for Cardano, which was a group's top pick. With speed, decentralization, worldwide reach, and top score security, Cardano is set to rival Ethereum and turn into the hub of DeFi as ETH2 faces delays. The Alonzo era has as of now gotten underway, with around 100 dApps now deployed on Cardano, with many seriously pending. Q4 will see many amazing projects launched in Cardano, from decentralized exchanges and NFT solutions to gaming, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. The NFT boom took the world by storm last year and has come significantly further this year. CNFT will turn into Cardano's NFT hub to rival different chains. Previously, being contrasted with OpenSea, CNFT, which launched on July 2021, will unite the Cardano ecosystem. The platform launched even before the Cardano upgrades, with assets being traded without smart contracts. CNFT has more than 170,000 assets on the platform, recording more than 1 million in sales. The CNFT platform is a growing decentralized ecosystem, giving lots of capacity to users. Users can mint and trade NFTs while also investing in the platform. Sunday Swap. A platform's decentralization trade can reshape and assemble traction around its chain. The Sunday Swap is a decentralized trade on the Cardano blockchain and is now amongst the most sought-after projects on the platform. Previously being contrasted with Uniswap and PancakeSwap, the first and second largest DEXs based on Ethereum and BSC respectively, Sunday Swap is relied upon to turn into a force to be reckoned with among DEXs. The platform allows peer-to-peer transactions for crypto assets with a user-friendly system. Users can trade, stake, lend, and borrow their assets on the platform. Ardana. Ardana is an on-chain backed stablecoin on Cardano. The utilities of Ardana involve minting, transfers, staking, lending, and so on. In addition, Dana users can store cryptocurrencies in a wallet viable with Ardana and harness the possibilities of Dana Swap, a decentralized trade for stablecoin pools. A user can easily take a DUSD loan by putting up collateral in ADA. As with other DeFi loan protocols, the collateral is more than the loan, making it impossible to fall beneath the benchmark. The Dana token is the native token of the platform and can be staked by users to earn ADA. OxamFi. OxamFi is a unique protocol because it embraces a cross-section of DeFi solutions. It enhances the lending, borrowing, and funding of new DeFi projects on the Cardano blockchain. Oxam Razor is the launchpad of the platform, which will bring decentralized financing to the dApps on Cardano. OxamFi provides many ways in which projects can kick off, with the community at the center of these developments. This means that projects launching through Oxam Razor enjoy a benefit in the market because they, as of now, have a community rallying around them. OxamFi plans to launch a DEX in the future, adding much more value to the ecosystem. The future of Cardano. Cardano is a third-generation blockchain that's finally living up to its ETH killer moniker thanks to its Alonzo upgrade. Currently, ADA sits as the third-largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, hitting the $3 mark after the launch of Alonzo. The launch of smart contracts and the rollout of dApps will prompt a massive price boost for ADA, with bulls in any event setting their sights on $15 as ADA receives more adoption. It's very possible that 1 year from now, Cardano will turn into a DeFi hub with leading protocols in NFTs, stablecoins, and DEXs, among others. The utilities of the new dApps on the Cardano network are innovative, encouraging community participation. Should these dApps gain sufficient traction, the value of the blockchain will soar, and the Cardano blockchain is now scalable, so it can deal with the increasing transactions. Major updates. Cardano successfully deployed the Alonzo hard fork combinator longer than a month prior, which has presumably been one of the most significant upgrades to occur in the network. Alonzo HFC welcomed with its smart contracts capability in the network, and with this came decentralized finance or DeFi services to the ecosystem. Developers could now develop and deploy decentralized applications or dApps on the Cardano blockchain. This provided a boost for the network, and Cardano continues to work with developers to get their dApps deployed on the blockchain. After this milestone, a question in the minds of supporters has been, what's next? With the Alonzo HFC operating as intended, the developers behind the blockchain would now be able to move to the next phase. This phase is alluded to as the Babbage era. Kevin Hammond, software engineer at Input Output, gave an update on the thing the developer was working on next. Hammond uncovered that IOHK was moving into what they alluded to as the Babbage era. This phase, which is named after Charles Babbage, the mathematician credited as the father of the computer, is intended to smooth out any wrinkles that might be left over after Lonzo. IOHK will carry out various performance improvements on the blockchain in this phase. These, Hammond said, are improvements which the developer had been working on for quite a while, however had not yet launched. These updates are just part of 2021. Seeing and analyzing Cardano and its upgrades and growing ecosystem, it'll make its investors millionaires. Do like this video. Also, subscribe and share to our channel, Cardano News Today. Let us know your thoughts on Cardano in the comment section.